5 practical tips to remove toilet limescale naturally. We like our toilet to look clean and be free from odors. After all, this keeps the whole bathroom pleasant and helps us relax when we need to use it. However, due to the accumulation of germs, moisture and other substances, it's common to see limescale and stains that are very difficult to remove. This problem, visible by a yellow or brown color, is typically generated by the accumulation of calcium and other minerals found in the water supply. Even though there's a wide variety of chemicals to minimize its appearance, many advise against its use because of their harmful potential environmental impact. The good news is that there are natural solutions that help to remove the stains on limescale without affecting the environment or your health. In this article, we want to share 5 interesting tricks that can help you to maintain an impeccable toilet. Remove toilet limescale naturally with these great home remedies. 1. White vinegar and lemon. The combination of white vinegar with lemon is an excellent natural disinfectant. For decades, it has been an ecological way of keeping many surfaces clean. In this particular case, it's quite useful, since the natural acids of both ingredients easily break down the limescale. Its application significantly reduces the appearance of stains. Incidentally, it also removes the microorganisms that cause unpleasant odors. Ingredients: 1/2 cup, 125 milliliters, white vinegar. The juice of 1 lemon. Instructions: add the juice of 1 lemon and 1/2 cup of white vinegar and rub the mixture vigorously over the areas you want to clean. Depending on the type of stain, you can use an abrasive sponge or wet sandpaper to make things easier. 2 Coca-Cola and baking soda. It's quite likely that you've seen the trick of using a soft drink, cola, as option for unclogging toilets and drains. What you might not know is that it can be combined with other products to remove scale and stains forming on the surface of your toilet. Ingredients: 1 can of Coca-Cola, 330 milliliters. 1/2 cup, 1 milliliter, white vinegar. 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 30 grams. Instructions: to clean your toilet, pour the Coca-Cola all over the areas where the limescale is concentrated. Leave it to work for 30 minutes and then brush those areas. Then, add the white vinegar and baking soda for a sparkling effect. To act for 15 minutes. Rub the areas with a brush and rinse. 3. Borax. Regarded as an excellent cleaning agent, borax is a useful substance for the disinfecting and whitening of household toilets. Although it is slightly more aggressive than the previous suggestions, it doesn't cause any negative environmental impact or leave volatile compounds that could be harmful. Ingredients: 1/2 cup, 1 milliliter, white vinegar. 4 tablespoons of borax powder, 40 grams. 1 liter of hot water. Instructions. Spray white vinegar on the toilet surface and leave it for 20 minutes. Scrub with a brush, and then add the tablespoons of borax powder. Make sure you wear gloves and a mask when handling these ingredients to avoid any accidents. After another 15 minutes, add a liter of hot water and remove the offending stains with a sponge. You might like 4. Pumice stone. Although the pumice stone is distinguished by its ability to remove dead skin, it is also very useful for removing stains that are in the bathroom. Their abrasive power finishes off Limescale and leaves the surface looking much cleaner. Instructions. Moisten the pumice stone with a little warm water and rub it over the areas where there is limescale. Avoid using a dry stone, as it could possibly leave scratches. Re-moisten it whenever necessary. 5. Baking soda with hydrogen peroxide. A paste made with baking soda and peroxide can be very useful to make this job easier. Both ingredients can naturally rinse surfaces and, incidentally, act as a disinfectant for thorough cleaning. Ingredients. (100 tablespoons of baking soda, 30 grams. 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide, 20 milliliters. The juice of a lemon, optional. Instructions. Moisten the baking soda with hydrogen peroxide and use the resulting paste to clean stains from the toilet. Wipe with a cloth or abrasive sponge and allow it to sit for 20 minutes before rinsing. Optionally, you can add lemon juice to achieve a stronger bleaching effect. If you're struggling to remove limescale or stains from your toilet, choose any of these methods and follow the instructions to put an end to this problem. The results will surprise you.